somewhere.
What you? Hey, watch out! Hey, watch out! Huh?
Did you sneeze on me?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Oh my God, it's Young Mooch, man. Look, man, today's video, as I could tell by the title, you know, I got some sprays with me, you know, and I'm gonna be pretending like I'm sneezing on random strangers. Now, I don't know how they're gonna react. I know they're gonna be mad though, cause nobody like getting sneezed on. And we're gonna get these people reaction, man. Make sure y'all like, comment if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, man. Let's go sneeze.
Hey, let me know what y'all would do if somebody was to sneeze on y'all in public. How many times y'all think he got punched on? Or more? I feel like he need to switch his lane up, man. I don't want to go. I mean, it's kind of whatever for the bread, man, if you feel like you don't care about life anyways. But, yeah, man, Young Mooch, man, I pray for you, gang. Just, yeah, not for too long.
He's on people. I see two guys sitting down. I'm about to go prank. I'm about to sneeze on one of them. See how this go, y'all. Oh my God.
That shit was fake as fuck.
Yeah, man, nigga, what the fuck? What's wrong with you, bro? You good? You sneeze on me, bro?
Yeah. I can't
You
sneeze
ain't
on
gonna say
you?
excuse me?
What you mean?
You gonna say excuse me?
I just like sneezing, bro.
Fuck you like sneezing for, man? You know you
Yeah,
like-
this nigga ain't just sneeze on me.
What you mean? No, I know where I'm
Bruh.
at.
I will put my foot up your ass so far you be burping shoe pies. Dude, get your...
Is this a skit? This ain't real.
Hey, watch out! Hey, watch out! You good? Y'all good. Watch out! Yo, slide! Yo, it's a video. It's a video. And we recording. It's a video. We filming. Alright, you good? Yo, slide, bro. Watch out! Alright, you good? Watch out! You good, bro? Hey, yo! Come on, let go. Y'all tripping? Let's slide.
What the fuck?
Huh?
Why the fuck you do that shit? Did you just sneeze on me?
I'm a little like sick.
I don't give a fuck. Why the fuck did you do that shit? That shit nasty as fuck.
I'm sick.
Bro, get your ass off somewhere. The fuck?
What you doing?
Why the fuck you do that shit? That shit weird as fuck.
I'm sick.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you tripping.
The fuck?
Oh, you tripping.
Weird ass shit, bro.
I was a little sick.
I don't give a fuck. That's some weird ass shit.
I can't control
Fuck
it.
no. Fuck.
Oh
Go
my
sneeze on somebody
God.
else.
You're tripping.
The fuck?
I ain't gonna lie. It was a spray. I was filming you. It was a YouTube video.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Nah, you good. We was recording you the whole time.
Damn.
You was on camera. Oh my
That seemed a little more real. That was a little more realistic.
God.
Damn, I'm sorry for that.
I understand. You okay? It's okay. I get a hug from you, like a little side.
Yeah.
It's okay. Y'all, I see this guy shopping. I'm about to get him. Mad.
Dude, man, what's up?
What you mean?
What's all that about, man?
What you mean,
What
bro?
are you doing, man?
To me, what I'm doing?
Come on, man, sneezing on me like that. Can your mama teach you lessons?
I can't sneeze on you?
No, man, it's COVID and shit. What's wrong with you,
Why
man?
you getting in my space,
Because,
though?
man, you're doing this shit to me, man. What's wrong with you, man?
It's a little sneeze.
Yeah,
Relax.
whatever, dude.
It's just a sneeze.
Well, I don't give a shit.
It's
Whatever.
a sneeze. You could go
I
shopping.
don't care.
Okay,
you go shopping.
I am.
Get the hell out of my fucking face, man.
What you said?
You heard?
What you said, bro?
You heard what I said.
Okay, you can keep shopping. I'm
No,
good.
whatever, dude. You need to
Yeah,
back the
you
fuck up.
can keep shopping. You can keep shopping.
Dude, what's wrong with you, man?
Alright, you good? Alright, stop. You good, bro? Stop touching me. Okay, okay.
No, we're not good.
Alright,
We're not
okay,
good, man.
okay.
Hey,
you
man, I'm
good?
making through 2 months out of Iraq. I can take care of your ass.
Alright, you can stop touching me. I'm not touching you, bro.
Whatever, man.
I'm not
Don't
touching
do
you.
that again, man.
Okay, I'm not touching
It's
you.
nasty.
Okay, you good though.
No more. Get the hell out of here, man.
What?
Go somewhere else. Bye. See ya.
Okay, you don't have to touch me though.
Whatever, you know, I can't touch you.
Stop touching me, bro. You
Really?
good? You
Really?
good? Yeah, stop touching me.
Yeah, I'm an old man, but that don't mean shit.
Okay, stop touching me. I don't want to hurt you, bro.
Whatever, you ain't gonna hurt nothing.
All right, stop touching me.
Whatever.
All right, you good, bro.
No, that's it. That's it.
All right, you good? It's recording you. We're recording. You on camera, fam. You on camera, bro. You on camera. We're recording you. It was in the sneeze. You were on camera. People are sitting down. I'm about to go get them right now. No, anybody. I think I see 2 girls. We're gonna see how this goes.
What the fuck?
Huh?
What the fuck? Did you sneeze on me?
I'm a little sick.
You're sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're fucking sick.
Huh?
You realize you sneezed on her?
Yeah, I did.
What the fuck? You're literally fucking disgusting. Yeah, no, you're nasty as fuck. Like, exactly.
I'm a little sick.
Nah, bro, that shit's weird as fuck. You could have sneezed anywhere.
But my sneeze is...
Nah,
my
get the fuck. Yeah, no,
My
bro.
sneeze is
get
clean,
the fuck.
though.
No, your sneeze is clean?
Yeah, that shit.
That shit's stupid as fuck, bro.
What you mean?
That shit, bro.
I can't sneeze on you?
Piss me off. You can't sneeze on me. You just fuck. That shit's nasty as fuck.
Okay, you don't gotta yell at me, though.
Bro, no, that shit's nasty. Exactly. So if I sneeze on you, it's gonna be cool?
Yeah, you look good, so I take your sneeze.
You. This nigga is weird. You're weird as fuck, bro.
What you mean?
No,
it was a little sneeze.
No, that shit's so fucking weird.
Okay, you could calm down.
Nah, no, calm down. You just fucking sneeze on me.
Ain't gonna lie, we filming you. It's a video. Yeah. It's a video.
Bro, that shit.
It was a video the whole time.
That shit.
I apologize. Nah,
That
it
shit,
was a
no.
joke.
That
It was a little joke.
No,
Look,
bro.
nah, it was a joke.
Fuck that video.
It was a video, I
No.
promise. I wouldn't sneeze on you.
You wouldn't sneeze on
I'm
me.
sorry, I apologize. I get a hug.
No.
No hug? Oh. I see somebody shopping. I think it's a couple. I'm gonna go mess with this couple, y'all. I think they shopping.
I'm really surprised this man ain't got punched. He ain't got beat up yet. Come on, man. Come on, man. I would have John Jones this man. Whoop, whoop.
To me,
Right there, I would have turned around. Poop, 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 poop.
Man, you just sneeze on me, bro?
I can't. I like the sneeze.
Oh, you just sneeze on me, bro?
Are you good, bro?
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. What you mean don't touch you? Don't sneeze on me.
Hey, bro, don't touch me, bro. I said, watch out. You good, bro? Why are you touching me, bro?
Cause you sneezed on me, nigga. What the
What
fuck?
you mean I sneezed on you, bro? I sprayed. I didn't sneeze.
I would have smacked the phone out of his hand. He must be cutting clips out where he got like fucked up.
Sneeze on you, bro. You good? It's a video. We was recording you,
Hey,
bro.
guys.
Huh?
I'm gonna need all of y'all to leave my store now. Like
I
everybody.
ain't sneeze on you, bro. You good?
Nah, bro. You fucking sneezed on me, bro.
Nah, bro. You good? You good, fam? What's up, bro? You good? You good? You good, bro? You good, bro? Tripping.
Hey, y'all too. I'm gonna need y'all to stop recording.
I see a girl walking. Might get her.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose a little
Nah,
stuffy.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Why the fuck is you so damn close to me?
I just like sneezing on
Nah,
pretty
fuck,
strangers.
That shit weird as fuck. I'm not gonna lie to you. That shit's weird as fuck.
I can't
This
sneeze.
nigga just fucking sneezed on me or whatever the fuck he did.
I can't
The fuck?
sneeze.
Wet mouth ass.
You got
What
me
the fuck?
feeling
I-
weird.
No. Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose stuffy.
Fuck, nigga.
I can't sneeze.
What the fuck do you want?
I can't sneeze.
No, fuck no. Not on me.
Yo, hold on. Wait, I'm doing a video. Look, I didn't sneeze on you. Look, right there all the way down, he recording you. He recorded you. Yeah, I didn't sneeze on you, I promise. It's a little spray. Yeah, it was a joke, I promise.
For sure.
I promise it was a little
Okay,
joke.
for sure. That's cool.
Yeah, I ain't mean to.
Weird though.
Nah, I apologize. Look, you actually look good. Like, that's why I told you so.
Mooch, you weird gang. Whatever for the clout though, man. I don't know how to do it that good. I'm trying though. I don't know if I got what it takes to be in this industry, but
Okay.
I get your number. I'm not gonna sneeze on you. I'm not gonna. I can get your number though.
Yeah.
Why you was backing up?
Cause that shit was weird. Like, what the fuck? Who the fuck does that?
It was a little joke. I apologize.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I apologize though. What's your name?
India.
India.
Mm.
Yeah, you look pretty.
Thank you.
So I get a little hurt from you.
Sure.
I ain't sick of nothing. Like, I'm a clean dude.
For sure. For sure.
So it's nice meeting you. I'm Malik, by the way.
I'm
For
okay.
sure.
Hey, Malik.
You still look a little like weirded out.
Nigga, because the situation was weird to me. Like,
For sure. I get one more hair though.
no.
All I've been waiting here is hot, tired. It's so hot, y'all. Might spray some on me. So hot. I've been seeing some people, y'all. I don't know. I've been hot. Oh my God.
Yo, what's going on, man?
Oh, I'm a little sick. I like to sneeze.
So you're gonna sneeze on my neck?
I'm a little sick.
You gotta hold that in, man. Cover your mouth or something.
I'm a little sick.
I don't care if you're sick. Hey, you can get in there if you're sick. Don't be out here sneezing on people.
I like to do that.
Nah, I already had COVID. I don't need COVID again, man. You gotta get away from me. Hey, get the hell out of here. I'm not messing with you.
I can't sneeze on you.
No,
one time?
man.
Let me sneeze on you.
No,
Let me
no.
sneeze on you one time.
Hell no, I'm out of here.
What you mean? I can't sneeze. I can't.
Hey, what'd I tell you?
What you mean?
I'm not messing with you.
Relax. I'm a little sick, bro.
No, I don't care if you're sick.
What you doing?
You can go to the nurse's office if you're sick. Don't be sneezing on people.
Okay, I'm a little sick. That's all. Bro.
I don't care if you're sick.
Dude, I'm a little.
Dude,
Hey,
get out of here.
we recording. It's a video.
I don't want to be on no video. I don't got time
It's a
for
prank.
videos.
Look, I didn't sneeze on you.
I don't want to be on your TikTok.
It's a video. I didn't sneeze on you. It was a spray.
Oh, get the hell out of here.
You good? You sure? I didn't sneeze. Yeah, you mad, bro. What the hell?
Good. Okay. I done accidentally rewinded, but Young Mooch, bro. I pray for you, bro. I'm gonna pray for you tonight, man, and I'm gonna pray that all us upcoming YouTubers, get our break, man. Like, share, subscribe, and yeah, niggas know what it is.